Hi guys, this is my first video on YouTube. I'm Emmy and we're going to be making some things out of clay. First we are going to make some people from natives, and we're going to start by doing that. If we have time, I might do a beaver. So we're just going to separate these and I'll teach you how. If you want and you have this exact kit at home, you're welcome to put it in rainbow order. I'm just going to rip these apart. If we need, we have another pack here, but we're just going to open up the one so we don't lose pieces. I'll show you everything I do after. So we have all our colors here. Now we're going to start by making the body. So you take your dark brown, rip a piece about this big. You just want to start smushing it, rolling it, so it looks like this. When it gets to this, you want to set it on your table. And then you want to take your color that looks like this, rip a piece off, and then you want a piece that's this big. Start rolling it. So it looks like this. Now what you want to do is attach it to your person. So like that. You'll fix this part after. So you have your person right now and the arm. If you want to make the arm a bit skinnier, you want to fold it like this. Then lay your person down like that. And you want to take the same piece and you want to roll it again. And attach it as well. This time, you want yours a bit longer. Just like this, and you want it to be fairly close, like this. So you're going to add something in between. That's at the end. Next, I'm going to take a piece that's this big and start rolling it. Until it gets to look like this. This is the head. So like that. Then you want to take a bit of the brown that you have, and you want to start flattening it up. And you curve it so it looks like this. Put it on your human's head, just like this. Next, pick any color you want. For example, pick any two of these colors that I show up. Pick any of the two colors here. Pick two colors from here. I'm going to pick this color and orange. And so we are going to take this little tiny bit off. Look at this, and you want to start mushing it. You want to rip it again, so it's this small. You want to rip it again. Rip little pieces off. These are going to be feathers. So you have this little piece here. And orange. same thing. Just roll it out. Little piece. Like this. Next, I'm going to add the feathers. Like this. So they're like overlapping. Once you have that, we're going to start making the legs. So you take your peach color again, you want to rip a good chunk off. Rip that in half and start rolling it. So it looks like this. So when they look like this, add it to your body. Roll it gently on the ground. You're going to take your other one, roll it. Then you want to take your green, a little bit, and you want to start smushing it down. So it looks like this. Then you want to put your person, gently smush the legs onto it. Take a pencil, if it's on a desk, almost done. Now that you have your person, set it on the table, and we're going to make like a little bow. We'll take a little piece, start to roll it. Looks like this. A spear is easier, so we're going to make a spear instead. Make your shape that looks like kind of like a triangle like this. Then we're using this color for this. It looks like this. Open the up your arms a little bit. So it looks like that. Now we need to give this guy some pants. Gently take two pieces of brown like this. Flatten them out so they look like this. Lay your person on the side and start smushing them. It's kind of like they have shorts. Like this. So close to being finished. Now the eyes. Take a bit of black, start rolling into a little ball. There, we have our person. Good job, guys. We're finished. Put that aside, and now I'm going to start making the beaver. Take a little piece like this. Start making it like a shape. Shape like this. Then if you have a pencil or anything, start putting lines through it. So it looks like that. That's what you want the design of the beaver tail. Next, you're going to take a piece like this. Kind of roll it. If you want, you can take a bit more. Like this. Add it to the end of your beaver tail. Get the body. Start rolling ahead like we did with the guy. Little piece that looks like this. Add it to the head. Next, you want to get a little piece. Start rolling it as long as possible. You don't want the legs to be too skinny like that. You don't want that. So just fold it in half. And you probably want them to be this thick. Now this is too long. Rip it in half and these will be 2 legs. Next you want the back legs. Roll them up like we did. Put them at the back. Now we have our little beaver. Take a bit of the black and mushing it like the eyes that we did. There, just like that. I'm not gonna add the eyes, the ears, I mean. We're not gonna add the ears yet. They have like little things like these, just for the ears. Let me know in the comments below if you like beavers. There, we have our little beaver. Next, you want to take a bit of this blue, rip a bit off. Now do the same with the grass. Smush it up. Take your pencil. If you really smushed it, just clean that up. You can just easily peel it off. Just smush it again. There. Place your beaver. There you go. Tell me in the comments below if you made it better than me or if you made it just like me. We have our little dude and our other beaver. So, I hope you like it. Make sure to subscribe and smash that like button. And hit that notification button if you want for more videos. Thanks for watching.